I'm Adam Pitts, and I'm an intern through HCTEA for the high school and the college side for the welding program. I get here and I usually work on small parts for the boilers. So that's building doors and rear lid rings and platform brackets and all the smaller stuff that goes on the outside of the boiler to make it all go together. And I work with all the guys back here, and they all help me figure out what I need to get done for the day and put stuff together for me before I get here, so I have a schedule when I get here on what I need to do. And they're very understanding that I'm not a master welder coming in here ready to go. I am still learning, so they are definitely willing to stand in and help me figure out stuff that I need help with and help me manage all the stuff that I'm trying to do at the same time and not put too much on me. As far as the future entails, I'm planning on staying here. I would maybe like to move out to the boxing floor and doing some of the bigger boiler welding, or maybe move to plant 1 or plant 3 and learn some of the other opportunities that Superior has to offer. Superior is just a good company in general. They treat their employees well. They create equal opportunity for everyone and try to make the best work environment for everyone here that they can.